Hello, welcome to Berkshire's Cars video of this stunning condition 2015 registered Audi TT. This is the 2-litre TFSI Quattro S.Line 6-speed S-Tronic Auto. This has got the fabulous 230 brake horsepower engine. It's a one private owner vehicle from new. Current mileage on the car 70,588. It comes with a full Audi service history. We have 4 oil services in total. Most recent one carried out 16th of May 2019 at 69,000 miles. So the next service is showing 15,800 miles or approximately 550 days. MOT expires 15th of August 2020. There were no advisories. Beautiful colour called Glacier White. Say 230 brake horsepower, 2-litre petrol engine, 44 mpg, 12 months road tax, £160. Car is packed full of a lot of factory options. This does have the 20-inch alloy upgrade. You've got the LED lights along with high beam assist, privacy glass, S.Line Package. Also, the car comes with lane assist. Interior of the car is a beautiful half leather suede Alcantara interior. Stunning cabin. Front electric windows along with electrically operated folding wing mirrors. It does have automatic headlights which are LED and xenon too. You have the Audi virtual cockpit, where you can change the viewing platform. Also, you can have different options selected, things like telephone, radio display, lane assist, and back to the navigation. So the car comes with heated seats, which are also an option on this particular car. So 6-speed auto box. Main media control system with the top button being a touchpad for satellite navigation entry, etc., and telephone. Bluetooth for telephone. Bluetooth music streaming along with USB connection. And also you have Audi Select Drive, where we can change the various settings. Dynamic, which gives the car maximum power and efficient performance, efficiency to reduce engine power for extra fuel consumption, and then comfort drive for standard driving. This stunning one private owner condition Audi TT is declared as HPI clear. It will be supplied with both sets of remote central locking keys. We do have the handbook for the car. We have the service history printout. There is a tyre inflation kit along with the gel pack, and locking wheel nut is also present. We are able to offer some very good finance terms at the moment, and this is an example of a 20% deposit over a 48-month term with payments of just £333.10. Standard hire purchase agreement, no final balloon payment is applicable. Interest rate is just 4.5%. APR example here is 10.2. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. Please visit our website, which is berkshirescars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with the walk around video. You can use our interactive finance calculator, view the warranty information, and also you can read our independent consumer reviews. Thank you again for watching.